yesterday, today and tomorrow. One day, Emperor Akbar announced, whoever answers my questions correctly will be rewarded handsomely. The questions were as follows. What is it that exists today and will also exist tomorrow? What is it that does not exist today but will exist tomorrow? What is it that exists today but will not exist tomorrow? Additionally, examples must be provided for all these questions. No one in the court could come up with the answers to these tricky questions. Then Birbal said, Your Majesty, I can answer your questions, but you must accompany me on a tour of the kingdom. Only then will I be able to explain my answers. Disguised as assistants, Akbar and Birbal ventured into the marketplace of the kingdom. After a while, they entered a shop. Birbal approached the shopkeeper and said, We are building a madrasa for children's education. Can you donate 1,000 rupees for this cause? The shopkeeper instructed his clerk to give the money. Birbal then said, When I collect the money, I will hit you on the head with my shoe for every rupee I take. 1 rupee equals 1 hit on your head. Do you agree to this? Hearing this, the shopkeeper's clerk became furious and angrily lunged at Birbal. The shopkeeper claimed his clerk. So the shopkeeper calmed his clerk and said, I agree, but on one condition. I must be assured that the money I donate will be used for a good cause. Saying this, the shopkeeper lowered his head and told Birbal to start hitting him with the shoe. But instead of hitting him, Birbal and Akbar silently left the shop. As they walked away, Birbal broke his silence and said, Your Majesty, what just happened is the shop express your first question. The shopkeeper has money today and he intends to use it for a good cause. Because of his good deeds, he will benefit in the future as well. This means that what he has today will also remain with him tomorrow. This is the answer to your first question. They continued walking and came across a beggar. They observed a man giving the beggar food, far more than the beggar needed. Birbal approached the beggar and said, We are hungry too. Could you share some food with us? Hearing this, the beggar angrily shouted, Get lost! People like you come here begging from everywhere. Birbal turned to Akbar and said, Your Majesty, this is the answer to your second question. This beggar does not know how to please God. What he has today will not be with him tomorrow. A little later, they saw a hermit meditating under a tree. Birbal placed the money in front of the hermit, who immediately said, Take this money away from here. For me, this is ill-gotten wealth, and I don't want it. Birbal turned to Akbar and said, Your Majesty, this is the answer to your third question. The hermit was renounced all worldly comforts today. But tomorrow, all these comforts will be his. And Your Majesty, Birbal continued, there is a fourth example, your own life. In your previous life, you must have done many good deeds, which is why you are blessed with a life of happiness and abundance today. You lack nothing. If you continue to rule with honesty and justice, all these comforts will remain with you in the future as well. However, do not forget that if you make wrong decisions, nothing will remain with you tomorrow. Hearing Birbal's intelligent and witty answers, Akbar was extremely pleased.